Hi folks, I'm Scott James with Blue Water Yacht Sales. Today we're in Yorktown, Virginia. We're on a 2023 Tiara 43 LS. Amazing boat with amazing entertainment capability. Twin 600 Mercuries, less than 100 hours. Big U-shaped rear cockpit. This whole thing spins to face aft when you want it to. Dive door right there with a ladder. Lazarette hatch here. We've got Seakeeper in there. We've got a 9 kW Fischer Panda diesel powered generator in there. This whole area, electric sunshade that comes out, gives you shade here when you want it. Big seat, lots of storage underneath. Check out this space. First of all, this space, which is your outdoor galley, sink, stove, trash can, 2 refrigerators, storage drawers. This whole space, there are 2 air conditioners here, so no one goes unpampered. Let's move forward to the helm real quick. Air conditioning vents here too. 2 of them, 2 big 16-inch Garmin displays. Full Mercury joystick with Skyhook, autopilot, route tracking. Upstairs we've got our Mercury full engine gauge, and there's your Seakeeper screen. Sunroof here. This has a shade and a screen, and there's a custom helm enclosure for this too. Another cool thing, there's a 42-inch TV that drops down out of here, so everybody out back can watch the ball game while you're cooking hot dogs. Okay, so I'm in the cabin. This is lockable. This is air conditioned. There's a zone for the Fusion stereo right there. Generator controls are here. All your AC and DC breaker panel is here. Headroom, 7 feet. Enclosed head and shower. It does have a shower wand and a curtain. That's beautiful. Beautiful sink. Underneath the helm deck, there's another berth. Right now, the curtain enclosure, custom enclosure for the helm, is all right there. That stuff's brand new. And the whole boat's brand new. Again, 2023, less than 100 hours, 43 LS Tiara. A couple other things here. Trash can, microwave, which is about the only piece of galley equipment that you don't have there at the helm. And then beautiful thwartship, master bed right there, large screen TV, beautiful. Let's go forward. Big forward seating space, okay? This whole thing, it's got a manual sunshade, covers the whole area, really nice. 3 bucket seats here, fold up cup holders. Really cool footrest. There's a table that goes here. There's storage underneath, windlass right there. Speakers everywhere. Got a Fusion stereo remote here. There's a Fusion stereo remote aft, and then your helm unit is at the helm. 1 big glass panel, 1 big wiper with washer. Really cool space down below. Check us out, bluewateryachtsales.com. I'm Scott James, sjames@bwys.com or 757-570-3944. Thank you for your time.